Hi Christine, it's Chris. A quick walkthrough. It's looking great from what I saw. Just ignore the background drilling. There's some renovations happening next door, and it's kind of noisy, but this is how it is. So let's just carry on. So I remember this question list coming through. It was a bit brief from the client, but from what I've seen, you've managed to expand all that out. So if I just go through these here, so sort of standard stuff like removals company, professional service, hard work, all that general stuff. I'll just go through this. Seems to be the best way to do it. It's a bit slow at the moment. I'm uploading a video and also a lot of images into Dropbox for another project. So that's fine. He hasn't, I mean, as you know, I saw your first aid comment there is 12 years experience. You've basically stitched all this together to be quite beautiful, and that's what you have to do when people don't do a lot. But anyway, this is all good. So I can see the services page is going to be good, and then the last one is the contact and maybe some brief notes he's got. He likes that's for Speedo, okay, and then yeah, that's fine. So let's just have a look at what is happening here. So if I go into beautiful thing, I'm going to start with the services page because, as you know, that is best to it's best to do. So yeah, just ignore that drilling. So home and office removals, let's go straight into this. Once it loads, I'm just going to enable the editing and just do, no, it's alright, and just do the track changes, but I doubt there'll be sort of anything there. Okay, it's already on. So you've got the keywords there, that's very helpful. Services, so home removals, office removals, vending machine transport, motorcycle transport, shop fit out removals, packing out and packing. Wow, you really powered through the list there, written a lot of stuff. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just pause the video and just read through it because I see it's about 1,200 words. So I'll just and then I'll restart it so you can see if I've picked up anything, which is sort of more helpful. But other than that, it should be straightforward. So this video will start again in a few minutes, and sorry, in a few seconds. Right, so I've just gone through that, and it's looking great. I've just made some minor edits. So let's just start with the easy stuff, which is the home removals. Which is the services page. And basically, no issues there at all. I thought that was really, really well written. And minor things is the use of the apostrophe. This is like, look, I mean, 99% of New Zealanders don't even use them, right? But anyway, you can see here that because it's fast track removals expert, so it's because the name of them is removals, and I just put the apostrophe there because it's their experts, and it's the same for their home organizing experts. So that was my two changes there. Nothing major. I saw that on the Book Now page to test to see how simple a move can be, and then take the stress out and inquire now. So I'll just write in source of the process and inquire now, and then the about us didn't really have too much to add there as well. I just sort of added in because it said like attending personally to well, I changed it to 2, but it said on your removal project, so I just said 2 because it just sounds right. And then I just put in projects rather than just removal, but it could be the same. You don't actually need that. And then fast track removals. I think I just missed out the word, but also fast tracks and fast track removals is kind of the same thing. And then I put in covering the entire I put in Sydney area. But look, to be honest, that's just nitpicking. There's nothing wrong with what you wrote. I'd just change that to 2 and put in removals. And then the last thing is the homepage, which is always a bit of a interesting thing to write up. So my comments here are pretty minimal. So reliable and always on time. I just put always, but that really, it's just kind of, it's more of a salesy thing. And then I just put in quality, so quality in every removal service. But to be honest, you don't actually need that. It's just, I mean, everyone, if you're on this page, you're looking for a removal service, you don't need to say it. But I just said it to kind of to reinforce it. And then I put in a comma there, and just to break it up, and then specialist removal services, just to sort of differentiate them from office relocation or sort of house moving. And then the last thing is just the use of, so it said fast track removals got it covered. So I would have just said have it covered. Just sort of a English thing there, but nothing major at all. So that's fine. And then did I just, oh yeah, this was all fine. Went through all that. Is email, hang on. Sorry, I missed that one line. For anything else, please email or call for a free quote. Okay, fine. And then this last thing is just, I think I just, so this was fine. I think I might have inserted that comma. No, I think you did actually. No, that's fine. So I just said of every individual, but that's the thing. And then I just said presentable employers. I didn't know if that was a sales thing, so I just removed that, because we're looking at it from like a customer perspective. So professional services, hardworking staff, fast and efficient services, and mindful in every individual. And yeah, there was nothing wrong with this stuff here. This was great. So I can see now, like, it's a lot easier to kind of, write it from the services page and then just include everything else. So that's it. So I'll send that back to you with the video. Thanks very much for watching. It's looking really good. This will be a really nice site. Great, and talk to you soon. And I'm glad that you're doing the PM stuff, and I'm glad that you've started that induction. So that's awesome. So cool. Right, I'll stop there, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.